Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll practice some questions from probability and counting. Now let us see our first question. The meteorology department has announced that there will be rainfall on next week. What is the probability that it will rain on both Sunday and Monday? On next week there is the department has announced that there will be rainfall. So the probability of rainfall on Sunday will be 1 by 7. On Monday will be also 1 by 7. Because of this and here the probability will be into 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, that will be 1 by 49. So 1 by 49 is in option choice A. So option choice A is the correct answer for question number 1. Now let us see question number 2. A number is randomly chosen from first 100 positive integers. What is the probability that it is multiple of 7? If we see this, there are total 100 numbers from positive integers from 1 to 100. In multiple of 7 means 7, 14, 21 and dash 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 till 98. So 98 is the last term that is divisible, that is the multiple of 7. So 7 into 14 is 98. So there are 14 terms that are multiple of 7. So 14 by 100, or its another fraction will be 7 by 50. 7 by 50 or 14 by 100 must be our answer for the question number 2, because there are 14 terms that are multiple, 14 positive numbers that are multiple of 7 from 1 to 100. So answer choice for this question will be C, because there is no term 7 by 50, that is 7 by 50 is the another fraction form of 14 by 100. So option choice C is the correct answer for question number 2. Question number 3. A number is randomly chosen from first 100 positive numbers. What is the probability that it is multiple of 7 or 9? For 7 we already know there are 14 numbers, they are multiple of 7 from 1 to 100. But for 9 there are 11 terms, because 9 into 9 and then 18 27 and 9 10s are 90 and then 9 11s are 99. So 11 terms are there, they are the multiple of 9. Among these there is all term is there. All term means we can add these. There are 25 terms, they are multiple of 7 or 9, but one term is repeated there, 7 into 9 or 9 into 7, that is 63. In 9 into 7, in the multiple of 7 also we have counted 63. In multiple of 9 also we have counted 63. Because of that 63 came here twice. Now we need to subtract 163. Because of that our total number of case here will be 14 plus 11 minus 1, that is 24. 14 plus 11 minus 1, that is 24. 24 divided by 100 is in option choice C. So option choice C is the correct answer for question number 3. Now question number 4. A integer is chosen randomly from 0 to 20. What is the probability that number is prime? We know that prime number from 0 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So there are altogether 8 terms, and from 0 to 20 there are total 21 numbers. So 8 by 21 is answer for the question number 4. 8 by 21 is option choice B. 8 by 21 is option choice B. For the random number from 0 to 20, for 1 to 20 our answer will be option choice A. But here is 0 to 20, because of 0 to 20 our option choice B is the correct answer for question number 4. Question number 5. How many 5-digit number can be formed by using this digit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 if no digit are repeated? No digit can be repeated. For this case we will select how many 5-digit number. So we will make 5 digit here. If I write this 0 at first digit, then that will be only 4 digit. Because of that we cannot write 0 at first. So among these 5 choice we can write only one number here. So out of 5 I can write one number here. If one number is already gone here, then we have other, if one number is already there, then we have other 5 different choice, because we can write 0 in second digit. If I write 0 in second digit, the resulting number will be 5 digit. Now there are 5 choice again for us, because 0, we can write 0 here. Now there are 4 choices for this place, there are 3 choices for this place, and there are 2 choices for this place. 5 into 5, 25 into 4, 100, 100 into 6, 600 is in option choice D. So 600 is answer for the question number 5. Question number 6. There are 100 omens, 90 rings, 85 braslets, 80 watches, 75 umbrellas. These items are distributed equally. How many maximum number of women can get 4 items? So if we add all these items, 90 plus 85 plus 80 plus 75, that item will be 330. If we divide equally 330 in 100 omens, then the 300 will be here, remainder will be 30. So if we divide this item to all omens, then this 100 omens will get 3 items, and remaining 30 items will be again divided among the other omens. Because of that, this 30 omen will get 1 extra item. There is already 3 items for them. If they get 1 extra item, then they will have 4 items. The 30 omens will get 4 items. Because of that, 30 is answer for this question, because all will get 3 items, and 30 items will be remainder item will be again redistributed to the remaining to the omens. So 30 omens will get 4 items. Question number 7. There are 54 socks, 22 are identical yellow, 14 are identical white, and 18 are identical blue. Now if you have to make sure that you have a pair of white socks, means among these how many socks you must have taken out. If we take out 22 socks, they can be all yellow socks, and if we take after that 18 other socks, they can be all blue socks. So if you take 40 different socks, they can be yellow or blue. After then the white socks, after then it is 100% sure that white socks will come. So you have already taken out all 40 different socks from yellow and blue color. Now if you take 2 more socks, they will be surely white socks. So if you take 42, if you take 42 socks, then you will have a pair of socks from white. That is the 100% sure case. So how many socks you must have taken out? You have taken out 42 socks. Now let us see question number 8. In a group of 30 persons, they handshake with each other. How many handshakes they made altogether? So 30% are shaking hand with each other. In this case, our formula is n, then n minus 1 divided by 2, because handshakes cannot be repeated. If first do handshake with 1, then after then first we'll do handshake with 29 others, and then second we'll do handshake with 28 others. In that way it go. So 30 into 29 divided by 2, that will give us 435. So 435 is answer for the question number 8. Now question number 9. In a group there are some persons, they made handshake each other, and 351 handshake they made altogether. How many persons are there? Our formula is n minus 1 divided by 2. If I take this 25 into 24 divided by 2, that will not give us 351. If I write here 27, and then 27 into and n minus 1 is 26 divided by 2, that will give me 351. So 27 persons must be there. If they do handshake, then total handshake will be 351. So here are formula for the handshake, for hug, for a game played once. Our formula is n minus 1 by 2 to find the total numbers. Now let us see this question. In a group of 20 people, if they say hello to each other, how many hello word was said in altogether? So if 20% are there, means each and every person has to say hello here. This is not like a shaking hand. So here our formula is n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1. So answer will be 380 for saying hello. 21. In a tournament of 10 teams, every team has to play games with another team twice. Here is one term twice. Because of twice, our answer will be different. How many games were played altogether? In this case, they have to play twice, means 10 into 9, 90. 90 is answer for this question. N into n minus 1. Here is formula. If for namaste, for hello and hi, for game played twice, our formula is just double of the shaking hand, just double of playing once, so that is n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1. In a group there are some men and cows. On counting heads and legs, there are 80 heads and 200 legs. How many men are there? So there are altogether 80 heads and 200 legs. Now we need to find how many men are there, other are cows. Now let us see this first option. If 20 men are there, then leg from for 20 men will be 40, and out of 80, if 20 are men, then 60 will be cow, and 60 cow can make 60 into 4, that is 240 legs, which is incorrect because there are only 200 legs. Now let us see option choice B. If there are 60 men, 60 men means there are 120 legs. Now if there are 60 men, then remaining 20 will be cow. 20 cow means 20 into 4, 80 legs. So this is correct choice because 120 plus 80 is 200. So correct choice for the question number 12 is option choice B. Option choice B is the correct answer for question number 12. Question number 13. An ant climbs up 5 meter in day and it falls 3 meter in night. In how many days it can climb up the top of 35-meter wall? So in one complete day it climbs 2 meter because it goes 3 meter, it climbs up 3 meter and it falls, sorry, it climbs 5 meter and it falls down 3 meter, means in one day it climbs 2 meter. In 15 days it climbs 30 meter. In complete 15 days it climbs 30 meter. Now on that day, on the same day, it climbs to 5 meter, means it will be at 35 meter on 16th day, because on 15th day it will climb 30 meter. On the 16th day during daytime it will climb to the 35 meter wall. So our answer for this is option choice B, 16. Question number 14. An ant can climb a wall 4 meter in 1 hour and it falls 3 meter in next half hour. In how many hours it can reach at the top of 20-meter wall? So here in 1.5 hour, it goes in 1 hour 4 meter, in half hour it falls 3 meter. So in 1.5 hour it climbs 1 meter. In 1.5 hour it climbs 1 meter. So in it means that for 20 meter it have to climb the 20-meter tall wall. Now if we do like this, in 1.5 hour 1 meter, in 1.5 into 2, in 3 hours 2 meter, into 8 means in 8 to the 24 hours. In 24 hours it will climb to, in this 1 meter, in this means 20 8 to the 16, sorry 8 to the 16, in 16 hours it will climb to 16, 8 to the I'm sorry 8 to the, here is already 1.5 hours. Yeah. Okay, in total complete this hour, 1.5 into 2 is 3. In 24 hours it will climb up to 16 meter. Now see, in 1.5 hour 1 meter, in 3 hours 2 meter, in 24 hours 2 into 8 is 16 meter. So altogether there are 1.5 into 2 into 8 means this will give us 24 hours. In 24 hours it can climb in 16 meter. In next hour it again go 4 meter up. In next again it go 4 meter up, means in plus 1, 24 plus 1, 20. In 25 hours it will be at 20 meter top, because in 24 hour it is at 60 meter. In next 1 hour it will climb. In that case we don't need to see its fall because it is already at the top. It is already at the top. So in 25 hours it will be at the 20 meter tall wall. Question number 15. In a box there are 8 red, 4 black and 3 green balls. If one pick a ball randomly, what is the probability that it is neither red nor black? So neither red nor black means 8 red and 4 black are there. Neither red nor black means it must be green balls. So 3 green balls, and total number of balls are here. If we see this, 8 plus 4 plus 3, 8 plus 4 plus 3, something is wrong here because 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So if it is neither red nor black means it is green. 3 green balls out of 8 4 12, 12 plus 3 15. So 3 by 15 is answer for this question. These are wrong option choices. 3 by 15, neither red nor black means 3 by 15. 3 by 15 is the probability for this question, neither red nor black. Question number 16. 2 unbiased coin are tossed. What is the probability of finding? What is the probability of finding at most one head? If 2 coin are tossed means we will have 4 cases: head comma head, head comma tail, tail comma head, and tail comma tail. At most one head means maximum one head. At most one head means at maximum one head, and minimum it cannot have any head. So these are the 3 possible cases: maximum, at most one head, at most one head, in maximum one head. So this can be also, because maximum one head, minimum it cannot have any head. It is possible to take this also because this is also at most one head. In at most one head this also lies. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is the answer. At least one head, at least one head means, if we see this, at least one head, at least one head means minimum one head, maximum it can be 2 head as well. Minimum one head means this TH, HT and TT. In this case, at least one head means this and this. Minimum one head, maximum it can be 2 head as well. At least means minimum one head. So for this also 3 by 4 is the answer for question number 17. Question number 18. 2 unbiased coin are tossed. What is the probability of finding exactly 2 heads? Only one case of having exactly 2 heads. Out of 4 cases, for this case H comma H is the exactly 2 heads. So 1 comma 4 is the correct answer for question number 18. 2 unbiased coin are tossed. What is the probability of finding no heads? No heads means here is also head, here is also head, here is also head. In tail comma tail there is no head. In this T comma TT. So 1 by 4 is the answer for the question number 19. Question number 20. A 10 student class is to choose a president, vice president and secretary from the group. If no person can occupy more than one post, in how many ways this can be accomplished? Means in this case, for the first, second and third, 3 choices are there. Out of 10 students, 1 can be the president. So there are 10 ways in which we can select president. Now we already select our president. Now out of 9 we have to select our vice president. So our vice president is already there, 2 students are here. So out of 10, 8 students can be secretary. So if we multiply this, we will get our answer. Our answer for this question is 720. So thank you very much. All the best.